Then you simply click right here, Start Contest. You have a bunch of options here. You get one more chance of renaming the contest or the contest description. You can edit. This is called the contest slug right here. And this is a special code that you'll see. I'm going to show you how to use this later, that you're going to copy and paste into posts and pages on your site to activate some of the contest functionality on your site. I'll show you how to use this in just a minute, but you can edit this right now if you wanted to. So then we set the start date and end date. Let's say I'll just make it go till December. And you can make that whatever you want. You could make a one-day contest if you wanted to. I recommend doing at least a 2-week contest. If you have a really large audience of customers already, maybe you have a big mailing list or whatever that you can promote through, you can run a shorter contest. But you do need to kind of figure out how much time you're going to need to allow your contest to go viral. Because the whole principle here is that, you know, people referring people who refer more people. It works kind of like one of the pyramid schemes that you guys have seen, or like network marketing, where, you know, if everybody refers 3 people and then they refer 3 more people, it builds up and builds, you know, to be more and more. You need to make sure you give enough time to allow that viral effect to happen. You could change the setting one last time, but if you want to, about how you're awarding prizes. Just confirm everything here, set the date, and then you hit Start Contest. Now you'll see here that the contest is active. Tells you right here when it starts, when it ends. And the one thing too is there are some things that you can't edit or change while the contest is active. You'll notice all these are grayed out here. Once it's active, you cannot change the name, the description, the contest slug, or the start date because it already started. Anyway, so once you've started your contest, your next step is to publish it. And if you click on the Publish link under the Contest Burner menu, you'll see some instructions. So there's a little drop down here. So we're going to select the test contest I just put up. And here we go. Now we're getting 2 of these contest slugs. And you can put these anywhere you want on your website. But here's how I recommend using. What I'll do is I will create a custom contest standings page. So I go right over here under your Pages tab and just click Add New. And I'm just going to, this is just a test. And this is the page. This is the page where people can come on your website and see who the current leaders and winners are. And I'm just going to say blah, 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 blag. And then you'll notice back here that we're going to go back here. You have a contest standing slug. So all you need to do is copy the whole thing, including the brackets. So you have the opening and closing brackets and all this text here. You can copy that. And you just paste that right into this contest standings page. And then that's it. Then you hit your publish button. And I'll show you an example. I'll show you an example really quick of what the contest standings page will look like. So what that does is from here on down, including this functionality here. So from here up to here is all automatically generated by the plugin because we put that square bracket and then the contest slug in there. This up here, you need to write this content yourself. Depending, you should describe your contest and explain to your contestants, you know, how the winnings are going to be handed out, what the prizes are, or any other information you want to tell them. So then, once you've published this page, you now have a contest standings page where everybody can go look and see where they're at. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to create a contest links page. And That's the second slug that you see right here. So let's go over here and we're going to add another new page. And we're going to call it Get My Links. And if you know what you're going to name this page ahead of time, or you create the page ahead of time, you can actually even include your Get My Links page within your contest. Like you can go back into the contest, and I'll show you here. Let me just show you. So we have the same thing here. You know, you just type whatever message you want to tell people about how to get, about what the prizes are, what the contest is, and then you paste that short code. The short code right here. Paste it right there, publish the page, and now you'll have, here, I'll just publish it so you can see it. So I published it. Now let's go view it. So let me click view page. Now here's this would be normally your promotional message about the contest and why people want to enter it and how great it is. And then people are presented with this. So you put your contestants will put their Twitter username in, hopefully their YouTube username in. Hit the Get My Links button. And automatically, it's going to give them all their options. This is that one post functionality, and this is to refer people to that new car link that I made up. And this is the homepage link that I made up. And these are the one-click buttons. So watch this. When I click that, it takes me one click right into Twitter, and there we go. It's already created my contestants link. That's the promotional message that you filled out. And with one click, I can just hit update, and I could post that out to Twitter. And if I got any links, each click, I would get points if I were a contestant. Now, you'll notice the same thing happens here when you click Send to Facebook. Now, I'm not logged in. But there we go. When you're logged in, there you go. Your contestants can enter custom text and then submit it and share the link out on Facebook. And again, it's already pre-formatted with their contest link. Then it also gives them that your contestants here. This is again on our public links page. They can copy and paste this link and promote your contest that way. So they could copy and paste the link and go promote it out in wherever they wanted to. They could email their friends. They could link to it in their blogs. They could link to it from YouTube videos. I mean, I've seen some very creative things done to promote contest links. And then down here is the YouTube functionality, and it tells, it gives them instructions on how to earn points by interacting with YouTube. So that's the basic functionality of Contest Burner.